What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're like me, you probably love making cinematic videos. And if that's the case, you probably have heard about speed ramping. So if you're not sure what speed ramping is, it's basically you speeding up certain parts of your video to give it more like emphasis on certain spots or whatever. I'm gonna hop into the computer and I'm gonna show you how you can use speed ramping for yourself. So before we start, can you please make sure to go down below, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, maybe hit a like or two. Not two, mate. If you can give two, like the video, unlike it, and like it again. So I get 2 likes. No, I'm just kidding guys, but it really helps out the channel and I really appreciate all the support. So with that said, let's hop into the computer and get on with this tutorial. Alright guys, so jumping into Premiere Pro, you can see I already have a few clips on the timeline. So what you have to do first is just open a new sequence and put it on the desired frames per second that you usually make all your videos. So for this example, the 2 clips I have are both 100 frames a second. I shot it in 100 frames a second because I knew I was gonna slow it down in post. And that's the only reason, but I'm probably sure you can do it with any type of clip. So starting off with the speed ramp, just drag the track of the clip, just widen it up a bit so you can see more of it. You can see this line starts to form here. So after that, you can click on the FX on the left top of the screen or on this clip and go to time remapping and then speed. Once you click that, your clip will change and it's ready to be changed for speed ramping. Okay, with that said, we can just zoom in a bit so we can see more of the clip. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this is just a normal clip. Let me play it for you guys. As you can see, there's nothing special about it. It's just me orbiting around this model. So what we're going to do with the speed ramping is, this clip at the moment is quite boring. So what we're gonna do is speed up the clip a bit till about at the point where we're almost completely behind her, and then slow it down and then speed it up again. So it's like a quite nice way for you to change up the speed of different clips just to give it a better feel and pace for your video. So with that said, you can just press the pen tool. And then from there you can start selecting your sections in which you will change the speed of them. So for this one, I'll probably start changing the speed here. So we'll make a mark and then we'll change it to round about here. Okay, cool. So now we have these 2 arrows that divide this clip into 3 parts. So what we're going to do in the first part is speed up the ramp. So get your selection tool and just go to this line and drag it up to your desired speed. For me, I usually put it over 300. There's no particular reason for it. I just think it looks better in my opinion. So as you can see, it's quite faster now. So for the second part, it's going to be slow motion. So what we're going to do is, instead of dragging the clip up, we're going to drag the clip down. So start by dragging it down. I'm probably gonna just do it half the speed. So I'm gonna put it at 50%. And then from there, go to the last clip and then increase the speed again to roughly over 300%. Like I said, this is my personal way I do it. You can do it whatever suits your style. I'm just showing you the bare basics on how speed ramping works. So once you did that, you can see the middle part is a bit slower and then the first part is fast again. Okay, so let's see the clip now compared to the first time. Okay guys, so you can see it looks a bit better than what it did. However, it still looks a bit choppy. So what you can do is, you can go to these certain parts where you selected the speed ramping to start and end, and it has these 2 wings type of things on the side, and you can just click on one and drag it out, and you can see it will start smoothing out the transition from fast to slow. There's even these small arrows if you want to like make it even more smoother, and we can do the same on this side. So if we do that, both sides are now smoothened out, and if we select the clip and play it again, you can see it looks 100 times better. Alright, there you have it guys. That's a quick way on how you can just understand how speed ramping works. But another way I like using speed ramping is in transitions. So what we're gonna do is get ourselves a new clip from our project file, and then you can see it's just this random clip, nothing exciting, just me panning the camera up onto this building at the end. Okay, so what we're gonna do is also use speed ramping on this one. So as you can see, we use the speed ramping at the end to increase the speed. So we're gonna do that at the second clip as well, increasing the speed at first and then transitioning it back into normal. But however, for this, I recommend you just increase the speed like a lot, maybe more than 500% or even more. So it basically blurs out the ends and the first part of both clips to make it a seamless transition into one thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just open the speed ramping for the second clip and maybe select where it should end. That looks fine. So what you're gonna do is just increase the speed to a very high number. So let me play this for you and see how it transitions into each other. Awesome guys, there you have it. That's a quick and easy way how you can use speed ramping to increase your video quality and just make better videos. So I really hope you enjoyed that small little tutorial, and I really hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below and I will get to them as soon as possible. Thank you for all the support, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot, and hope to see you in the next video.